welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, so if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below for returning viewers. Thank you guys so much for your support. The fact that you continue to come back, it means more than anything to me. It really, really does. Alright, today I have a Fashom video. If you're not familiar with what Fashom is, I will go through it very quickly while I open this box up. They are a style service. They are not a subscription, so you just ask for a box ad hoc. You put in a note to a stylist when you request the box, and then they provide you with a preview of 7 items. You choose which 5 items you want to have sent to you. You have 3 days to decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back. I believe there's a $15 styling fee, but that only comes in after starting at your 3rd box, so you get to try your first 2 boxes risk-free. And also, if you use my referral link below, you get an extra $10 off of your first box, so why not do that? My referral link is below if you want to try that. And what I love about Fashom and what makes it different is, 1, I feel like the clothing is more affordable in Fashom, and 2, you actually get 25% off if you buy 3 or more items. And I've never actually bought less than 3 items, so I've always got the 25% off, which is a fantastic deal. So, Fashom's awesome. Let's get into this. Alright, they give you the mailer to send back what you don't keep. I think style notes are in here and prices. Yep. So we'll get to that at the end, but let's just dig into this. Oh, I got a couple different bundles here. Okay, so what I basically asked for is the same thing I asked in my last Stitch Fix, and I'm just looking for dressy sweaters. I feel like I've accumulated a lot of great winter clothes, and that's just like the big hole left in my wardrobe, is sweaters I can wear to work. So I'm very excited about the sweaters that I got sent here. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Alright, so first bundle here we have by Skies Are Blue. This one's actually the only non-sweater that I sent to myself, and it is a blazer. It's a kind of a denim looking blazer, though it's not denim, it's more of like a knit type cardigan. It does have a roll cuff with a little bit of striping on it, which is cute, and I just thought that was a really cute blazer. I've said cute about 5 times already in this video. That's a great sign. So definite winner in my book, and we'll see what that looks like on. And then we have here, this is by RD Style, which I know I've gotten that brand in my Stitch Fix boxes. And it is a cardigan, almost that like confetti type look cardigan, but it's neutral color. So we've got a little bit of like burnt orange and pink and yellowish, and brownish. So I think it's a really cute cardigan though, really pretty. I don't have anything that looks like this, so very unique for me. So hopefully that will fit great. Alright, bundle number 2. We have, this is a wrap style sweater, just a blue sweater, and it comes with a belt on it, and like I said, it's just a wrap front, so hopefully that will be cute on me. Kind of a bell type sleeve, which I'm usually not into, but I might be okay with this. When I saw it in the picture, I didn't even really notice it, and I don't know, it doesn't seem too bad. Hopefully we'll like that. It's actually thicker than I expected, so I'm happy about that. Then we have this, it was called like metallic sweater, so it's just a, I don't even want to call it sweater. This is more almost blousier than a sweater. And it is striped and just has like, you know, kind of the metallic look throughout. And I think, oh, it's by BB Dakota, and I really like it. So I think this will be a really great dressy, sweaterish, blousy thing. Okay, and then we have by Ruby Room, which I haven't heard of that, is just this pullover sweater. It is balloon sleeve. I haven't been big balloon sleeve, and it's also apparently cropped. So we'll see what that looks like on. I love the color of it. I think it's a great color. And it's soft, it feels great, so we'll see about that. And for my last box, I did exchange a pair of pants for a larger size. I think originally they sent me like a 0, and they're a junior size, and so that did not fit. So they actually sent me, this is the striped size, they sent me a size 3. It has a lot of stretch to it, so Hopefully this will fit. I wasn't sure whether to ask for like a 3 or 5 just because I don't really buy junior clothes anymore. They said they'd go out based off of my measurement, so hopefully these will fit. And I might as well try these on with these pieces. I don't think you guys got to see these pants in the last video because I could not get them up. So might as well put them in this one. All right, great box, great tops. Let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay guys, first up here I have the cardigan and the jeans. I'm not giving you guys a full view of the jeans, but just know that they're a little long and rolled, but that's fine. But they feel really good. They're snug, like good snug, no gaping in the back here, lots of stretch, very soft. And I do like the striping detail. So I already purchased these in my last box and this was just them sizing up. So I'm very happy with my sized up pants. And then we have the cardigan here, and this is just kind of on me. I wondered at first if it was supposed to be kind of rolled here a little bit, and maybe it is, but it's definitely not around the neck. So I think it's supposed to be like this, but it's just a little bit kind of dolman-ish, which I'm just not a huge fan of. I love the color of it. I like that a lot, but I just kind of feel like it's a little bit frumpy on me. So there's that, and let's move on to the next top now. Okay, next up we have this black metallic sweater. Again, I don't even know that I'd call it a sweater. It's almost more of a blouse. I like the arms are slim, and I like that. I like the, you know, that it is a little bit longer and it's got plenty of flow to it. I like this. What do you guys think? Does it again look too big on me? I like that it's kind of sparkly. I think this is a fun holiday sweater. We're past the holidays now, but for next year I think this would be a great holiday type sweater. So I don't know, give me your guys' opinions if you so choose to. All right, let's go to the next top. Okay, next up we have this blazer, and I think this is a fun blazer. I like the fit of it a lot. I like the cut of it. I think my only hesitation with this is with the denim color to it. What would I wear this to? It's a little bit too dressed down to wear to work, so then I guess I'd be wearing it maybe with some black skinnies or something, but how much use would I get out of it? I think it's super cute though, super cute. That's my only hesitation, is I'm just not completely sure how much I would wear on it. I guess the only other hesitation is it feels like one of those things where I struggle to get it perfectly ironed and pressed so that it looks good, because right now it's kind of wrinkling and kind of doesn't look that great, and it definitely needs an iron already. So I don't know. I like it a lot. I don't know if it's worth it. I don't know. Maybe it may depend on the price. So let's go ahead and go to the next top. So two things I like about this sweater. I like the color. I like the material. It feels really, really great. Really soft, but also warm and comfortable. I like that a lot. But this is really not my style. I don't really like a cropped sweater like this, and just because, you know, you lift up your arms and then it's like, oh, here's my stomach, and I don't want to do that. But the biggest turnoff for me is the balloon sleeves. I'm not a balloon sleeve person, and I just think I look too small for this sweater, and it's just kind of on me. So this is going to be a no-go. It's too bad because I do love the color and the feel of it. All right, I think I've got just the wrap sweater left. Okay, the wrap sweater, this one I'm kind of on the fence on. Again, it's a little bit of a shorter sweater, and I do have to wear something underneath it because otherwise it's just too low. I do actually like the bell sleeves on these. This is the first time I've actually liked a bell sleeve in quite some time, but I do actually like that on these. I think it's a cute sweater. I'm kind of on the color. I do wish it was something other than like the light blue, but I don't know. I don't know. This is a tough box. There's a lot of things I like. Nothing that's really like I can't live without it, but a lot of things that I really liked, so I'm on the fence about a lot. So let's go over prices and then make our decisions from there. Okay, let's go through the paperwork. So it says, hello, beautiful. And in here we have the invoice plus instructions on what to do next. If any of you want to see that, there it is. Okay, invoice. So let's go through this quickly. So the metallic striped sweater, this is $34. That's a great price. I'm very tempted to keep this one. So this is my top contender currently. This is the Arty style cardigan. This is $68. I was not a big fan of it, so I will not be keeping this. Then we have the Skies Are Blue wash knit casual blazer. This is $48. I really like this, but I'm really hesitant because I just don't know that I'd get the wear out of this that justifies paying, you know, 50 bucks for something. So I don't think I am going to keep this, but that doesn't mean I don't like it. Just I'm not to a place where I want to spend 50 bucks on it. That's it. All right, and then we have the cropped balloon sleeve sweater, and this is 40 bucks. This was not my style, so I'm not keeping this. And then final, this shabby wrap sweater, and this is $45. I looked at myself in the mirror a little bit more, and I just don't know that I'd be excited enough to wear this, so I do not think I'm going to keep this either. So I think I'm just going to keep this sweater here, but I'm very happy with that. The subtotal for the entire box is $235. If you buy 3 or more items, then you get 25% off, and that takes off $58.75. So if I kept everything, it would be $176.25. I am not going to keep everything. I am just going to keep this bad boy. So I am happy about that. Oh, and I just noticed that I had a note from my stylist. She says, hello Jennifer, happy Fashom Day. As always, it was a pleasure styling you in our newest Fashom collection with sweaters to wear to work. I'm really looking forward to see what you end up loving in this box. I'll look out for your next video. P.S. I love your reviews and energy. Please feel free to leave feedback on the app XOXO Malls. So thank you, Molly. This was a great box. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to do another Fashom box because Fashom really is one of my favorite styling services. So again, if you are interested in trying for yourself, then use my link below. And if you are not subscribed, then please subscribe. And thank you guys so much. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. And I'm done asking you guys for all sorts of favors. So thank you for watching my video. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one. All right, thanks. Bye.